All right, folks, I ain't make much of a video, but I did get a condenser and evaporator changed out. Well, I'm almost finished. Got the evap changed out. This the old condenser. I don't know if you remember the video, or maybe I can add this to the video. I still think I have footage of this unit here. Was completely flat with refrigerant, and I did end up finding the leak. It wasn't a leak in the evaporator coil or the condenser. I actually did find a leak on this line set right here. It was actually leaking right there, but I did fix it. Like I said, I ain't gonna make much of a video, but 4-ton change out. Well, actually it's a 5-ton Goodman. All right, so I got a change out today. We got a Goodman 3-ton condenser and an Aspen 3-ton upflow coil. I'm not make too much video, but cause I got a couple more calls I gotta run today. I'm gonna try to get done with this in about, it shouldn't take no more than about 3 hours probably. So anyway, I'm gonna change out this condenser unit. It's a carrier. The whip is still good. And the disconnect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right. All right, so it's about 59 degrees today. Supposed to warm up a little later. All right, so I'm gonna do a pump down. It's probably bad, not pumping down good. Yeah, not pumping So change of plan, so I'm gonna have to get a recovery machine, recover the rest of it. I had to recover the rest of it. I probably got some up in the condenser. The rest of it, we had to recover. Alright, so I'm just going to recover all of it. So I open the valves up. So when I get ready to scrap this coil, all I got to do is cut it. I don't have to worry about recovering any refrigerant later. That's a nice heavy coil there. Alright. This is my evap. What I need to do to change it out. I just tied me 2 plumber straps on both sides. I'll loosen all this. Put another sub-tapper right there. that to the side. All right, so I'll see if I can turn that 90 around. All right, folks, that's almost a wrap. All right, folks, that's a wrap. All I gotta do is put a little pookie around here. This hard cast foil right here. We're still gonna put a little pookie around there. Stick this emergency drain line in there. All right, folks, it's a wrap. Got it up and running. Pressure looking good, temperature looking good. About 11:30. Go grab me a lunch. Head to the next call. Thanks, a no heat call. All right.